How noisy is this? Today we are going to talk about microclimates and compare the noisy area in a city junction with a quiet city park. All we need is the DataHub with its 3 built-in sensors: temperature, humidity, and the GPS. We will set the DataHub to record these 3 sensors and simply walk from this point to the park. Let's program the DataHub in the field. We'll go to the DataHub menu and select the setup. Here we can choose the sensors, the sampling rate, and the amount of samples we are going to take during this recording. In the sensors, we are going to select temperature, humidity, and GPS. Using the GPS allows us to put sensor data on Google Maps. For sampling rate, we'll take 1 sample per second and a total of 1,000 samples. Look here, this is the GPS coordinates, showing us exactly where we are on our planet. All we need to do is to press the run button, we will start recording, and we are ready to go. We'll place the DataHub in a special bag with ventilation net, allowing the sensors to fill the environment. Okay, follow me. What a relief! We are in the park. You can really feel the difference. The temperature is a bit lower and the humidity is a bit higher. It's all because of the grass. It evaporates water, taking the heat from the environment. I should do this more often. Okay, now let's download the data. We have our iPad here and we can communicate wirelessly with the DataHub. So we simply download our data. As you can see, the temperature in the junction was 87 degrees, while in the park it went down to 83 degrees. This is 4 degrees difference, which is amazing for just a quarter of a mile walk. The humidity started in the junction at 67% and went up in the park to 74% due to evaporation of the grass. We can also see a table of values. Here you can see the time, the humidity, and the temperature recordings. But you can also see the GPS data, latitude, longitude, speed, and angle. But even more impressive is the map view. Look here, this is the park, and right here is the junction. You can even see our walking speed, which was 3.8 kilometers per hour. Now let's see the temperature. At the junction you can see it's red because the temperature is high, almost 87 degrees. But in the park it went down to 83 degrees. Look how beautiful it is, much better than a graph and a table because it tells the full story of what we did. Same goes with humidity. At the junction and in the park. Now you can see that the parks are not just important for producing oxygen, but they also play a role in cooling the city on hot summer days. Now, after all that walking and analysis, I think I deserve a rest.